Next we are discussing type 2. So for type 2 also we are taking one example. Okay, with this example I can explain that how to solve type 2 problems. So type 2 problem is what? Fx equal to x square plus integration 0 to x e power minus t f of x minus t dt. Okay, so first thing is what? Here limit is what? Integration limit is what? 0 to x. So we can say that here integration limit is not constant. So that's why we can't use type 1. So that's why we are using here type 2. So in type 2 what will happen? That integration limit is not constant. Okay, now here to do this problem, what you will do? We will differentiate. But how to differentiate? So if you differentiate this one, this is f dash x square differentiate 2x. But this one differentiate what? Not possible directly. Because if you use here Leibniz formula, but here x is there, so we can't use here Leibniz formula. If it is f of x minus t, instead of it is in product, suppose if I have f of x into p of t. Okay, so f of x we can take outside the limit and we can use Leibniz formula for differentiating. Okay, but here we can't use because of f of x minus t. Okay, then what to do? First thing, this one we have to remove. So what we can do? Fx as it is x square plus integration 0 to x. Here we are using property. What property we are using? Integration a to b fx dx. This one we can add what? Limit is same only, a to b. F of, instead of x, what we can replace? Sum of lower limit plus upper limit minus x dx. Okay, so instead of x what you can write? Sum of lower limit plus upper limit minus x. So here also what you are doing? Limit is same only, 0 to x only. Here we are integrating with respect to t. Okay, so instead of t what you have to write? Sum of lower limit plus upper limit minus t. Okay, we are integrating with respect to t. So instead of t we have to put lower limit plus upper limit minus t. So here e power minus of, instead of t what we will put? X minus t. F of, this will come out x minus, instead of t we are putting x minus t dt. This will come. So what will come here? Fx equal to x square plus integration 0 to x. This one we can add what? E power minus x e power t. F of, here x getting cancelled, minus of minus is what? Plus f of t dt. So this one we can add what? Fx equal to x square plus, this one we can add e power minus x, because we are integrating with respect to t. So e power minus x is what? Constant only, 0 to x e power t f of t dt. Okay, we are taking e power minus x constant because we are integrating with respect to t. Okay, so with respect to t, e power minus x is what? Constant. So we are taking e power minus x is what? Outside, because it will not come in integration. That's why we are taking outside. It is not permanently constant. Okay, so with respect to t we can take e power minus x outside. Okay, so with respect to t, e power minus x is what? It's a constant. Okay, so we can take outside because it will not come in integration. That's why we are taking e power minus x outside. That is the thing. Okay, now if I use here differentiation, f dash x square different 2x, but here we have to use u into v. Okay, u into v. But if you use u into v, the integration sign will not remove. Why? Because if I differentiate u into v, so e power minus x differentiate e power minus x into minus 1, then this one as it is. Okay, then again same term will come. Okay, again same term will be there, minus of e power minus x, and this will be there. But we have to remove integration sign. Okay, then what you will do? Okay, so what you will do here, because if you differentiate directly, then it will come complicated. Okay, you can't solve this one. So what you will do here? Multiply e power x both side. Okay, if you differentiate directly, you can't do this problem. So that's why what we do? Multiply e power x both side. Then what will come here? Fx into e power x, x square into e power x plus e power x into e power minus x is what? E power 0, that is 1, integration 0 to x e power t f of t dt. This will come. Now we will differentiate this one. So fx into e power x differentiate. Here we have to use u into v. So fx differentiate f dash x e power x as it is plus fx e power x differentiate e power x. Okay, x square into e power x. Here also we have to use u into v. X square differentiate 2x e power x as it is plus x square as it is e power x differentiate e power x plus, here we have to use Leibniz formula. So if you differentiate this one with respect to x, so what do you know, here we have to put, instead of t we have to put x. So what will come here, e power x f of x minus, okay, x differentiate what, 1. Now if you put 0, so e power 0 f of 0 and 0 differentiate what, 0. So what will come here, 0. This will come. So what will come here, f dash x e power x, f dash x e power x plus fx e power x, we can take outside, okay, equal to 2x e power x, 2x e power x plus x square e power x plus e power x fx. This will come, okay. So you can see that fx into e power x into fx, this is getting cancelled. So what will come here, f dash x, okay, e power x, this is also getting cancelled. What will come here, f dash x equal to what, 2x plus x square, this will come. So fx is what, integration we have to do, okay. So fx equal to what, integration of 2x plus x square dx. So what will come here, fx 2 x integration is what, x square by 2 plus x square integration x cube by 3 plus c. So what will come here, fx equal to x square plus x cube by 3 plus c, okay. We want fx, but here we got c. C means what, this is not fixed function, okay. We'll get infinity function, okay, but all are parallel graphs, okay. So we are getting here infinity function because c belongs to what, r. C belongs to what, r. But we want only one function. So here we want c value. So how to find out c value, okay. So what you will do here for finding c value, what you will do, see this one, instead of x we are putting 0. So what is f of 0, okay, f of 0, so this is what, 0 plus integration 0 to 0, integration 0 to 0 is what, 0, because we know integration a to a is what, 0. So this will be 0 if you put x equal to 0. So at x equal to 0, f of 0 equal to what will come, 0. This will come, okay. So here f of 0 equal to what, c, and c value is what, 0. So c value what we got, 0. So what is fx, x square plus x cube by 3, this is your function.